Hey friends, welcome to another unboxing. Checking out this ski goggles, Yoziss. So super important when you're like snowboarding or skiing to avoid like that snow blindness or reflectiveness in your face, to have a nice pair of goggles. Also, when you're going kind of quickly, whether you're snowboarding, skiing, snowmobiling, you don't want that cold air hitting your eyes. It can make your eyes water and things like that. So this comes in a really nice case here. Check out that nice logo on there. This stretchable headband has this nice silicone portion on there too, to keep from sliding around when you need it the most. Oh wow. Check that out. Does that not look cool or what? Super futuristic looking. I mean, it looks really cool. Oh my goodness. So check it out from this side. It looks like purple. And then on that side, it's like a reflective blue here. Remove film before use. Okay, so it has this little film in here. Pull this off if you can. Let's see here. Take this off of there. Okay, so there's this film in here. You just pull that off. Had to get my knife blade under there to get it, because I wasn't going to be able to get it with my fingernails. Oh my goodness. This looks super legit here. I'll have to adjust that a little bit. All right, so this has a strap right here. We can just pull this a little bit tighter, just like that. And the same way, should be able to adjust it back this way. Oop, we don't want it that tight. That'll be way too tight. Okay. Oh yeah. So there we go. That's nice and snug, and gotta say, this looks super comfortable. I mean, it doesn't look super comfortable. It looks cool. I have everything gives a little bit of a purple tint there. This has a UV 400 protection, anti-fog, anti-glare. So I'm going to try to fog it up now. But comfortable. It has this nice thick foam right here. All right. Yeah, definitely anti-fog. Can't fog it up. I tried. I was breathing on it and it's not fogging up. So that's cool. Nothing's more annoying when you're going along and your thing's fogging up and just cuts into your visibility and stuff like that. So that's no bueno at all. Okay, I'm going to adjust this a little bit bigger here. It was a little bit tight there, but I like how easy this is to adjust once you figure out get the hang of it. There we go. And it fits on just nice and snug. And I like how that got that, not only the nice elastic here, super comfy, it's not like hurting my head or anything, but also it's got that that silicone strip on the middle. It's not like allowing it to move up and down, they'll slide up and down. Because if you just have just the elastic, I've had ones before, we just put on elastic and just start sliding down your head or whatever, and it winds up, the strap will wind up on the back of your neck or something, or it'll pop up on your hair or something like that. So really good design here. I think it looks really nice as well, just a really cool looking goggles actually. Yeah, it's really comfortable as well. Okay, so this also comes with additional lens here. That is pretty sick. And as far as I know, let's see here, I think these can just pop off. Let me actually figure this out real quick and see. Okay, that's crazy. So this is just like some neodyne magnets on here, and this just pops off and pops right back on, so you can just switch this out easily. If I want to go with the yellow ones here, check that out. Just pop it off and it just fits right on there like perfectly. That is super nice. And then we can have the yellow ones as well. I am really impressed with these. This has got this REVO coating on there. It's supposed to be really good for UV protection, and is like protecting your eyes also from harmful rays and stuff like that. So these are super comfortable. I think they look really cool as well, my friends. Yeah, just really nice ski goggles here. Thanks so much for watching this video. Hope you guys have a great day, and I'll see you all next time.